Hi Pat, on the right side start in Google Drive and you're going to see that we're in the Master Brewers program and you're in course 5 beer packaging. Then you're going to come down, that should look familiar, and there is the images from textbooks. You're going to double click on that and then you'll see all of the chapter folders, and let's go down and let's say we're going to go to chapter 6, and so I just double clicked and pick the one you want. I'm going to say chapter 6 figure 6. I'm going to right click on that, and then when I right click on that, it's going to give you options. Click on download and you're going to see at the bottom bottom left, sorry, you're going to right click and then click show in folder, and that's going to just move that over out of your way, and then you can go to the image. You'll see it right there, and you're in Windows and you're in your downloads. That's where it ended up. You right click on it, and then when you go down here you're going to cut and then bring your cursor over, and you're in your PC in whatever folder you choose, and I opened that and then it's empty, but I right click and I click paste and it should be right there. Now let me show you another way to do it. I'm just going to move that out of the way. That's just the download folder. I'm going to go back and let's say we want figure 4 also. So I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to download it again. Okay, I'm going to right click and then click on show in folder, and there it is. And for me, I can just click and drag it over and it will also go there. I don't know if that will work for you or not, but one of those two ways will get it for you into your computer's brain. And if you hit a snag, just reach out to our team.